Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Simon, and today I want to give you a update on Tesla stock. So we're going to have a look at the price and we're going to see if we can work out where the price is going from here, as it's come into an area of interest to me personally. So I wanted to share that with you on today's video. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please do help out the channel, smash a like, hit subscribe if not done so already, and let's jump into the chart. So we can see here that really from the end of 2021, Tesla has been in this downtrend. We've drawn this descending channel here, which is really the connection of these highs. I've then run a parallel trend line down the bottom to form this channel, and we can see that in the past, price has liked to react off this channel. Right now, we've actually come down and tagged the channel a couple of days ago. This is something that I had put into a couple of groups that I'm in and also onto my Twitter. So if you're not following me on Twitter already, my Twitter or X is Crypto Insider Crypto Insider Simon. And you'll see here I've put up a tweet saying that Tesla is coming into major support, expecting a big reaction. It is a long-term trend line plus 618 fib support plus bullish RSI divergence. So we can see here that we have come into this channel. It is also the 618 from the swing low to swing high from 2023, so last year's price action. And this is a level that I would expect us to see a reaction from. So it does look like we are starting to get that reaction. If we just drop down to the daily, we can see that we've come in a couple of days ago, tagged this trend line. We had another go the next day and we've bounced. And now we are sitting at a price that I think is fairly safe as far as Tesla goes on the long side. I would like to see us hold 180 really on a weekly close, and for price action to keep closing above 180 over the next few days to give me more confidence that this will remain a local low. If we actually go down to the 4 hour, this is what I'd actually seen on Monday, is that we came down to this level. We did pierce the trend line slightly. We've now pushed back up. We then did come down and we made a second attempt to go lower. It formed on this Tom DeMark 9, and then we've seen a fairly impulsive move off the bottom with a couple of, well, bullish engulfing candle, and then obviously some further candles. We are rejecting a little bit down today, but that is not of too much concern to me as long as price does hold above this 180 level. So that's what I'm looking for price to do in the immediate term, is to hold the 180 over the next couple of days. If so, I do think Tesla has a fairly good chance of pushing back up above $200 to around about 210. If I just kind of go back onto the daily, you'll see the reason for having this 210 as a level is because price has reacted there multiple times in the past. Obviously, we did come through it this time, but we had like initial bounces off this level, also initial rejections. So right now, we would expect, with this being an area of prior supports, it took us a while to get through it last time we came down. I would expect this to be an area of resistance when we do come back up towards it. And obviously, we have this open gap fill as well. This was off the back of Tesla earnings a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, for me, Tesla is one to watch. I do feel that there is a risk here that we could come down to this 1618 level, which is around about $150. And I think what will probably happen with Tesla is that we will indeed get this pushback towards the 210, probably sort of struggle to get through this level. We'll have to assess how price reacts here, but this 210 level will be my first level or first target to probably take some off the table. Obviously, if the market does correct and some of the fundamentals around Tesla are bearish at this point, then it could be that we do come lower with an eventual target of around about 150. However, I do feel, as a Tesla investor, as somebody that obviously follows the company, that Tesla's fundamentals do remain very, very strong, and I would be very surprised if Tesla isn't trading higher over the next few months and makes its way back to the top side of this channel. And then eventually, it probably likely breaks out from there. I mean, we've touched this channel enough times. I do think at some point Tesla will come back up, start to probably sort of base out a bit, contract a bit, and then look to expand through this downsloping trend line. And I do feel that over the next couple of years, Tesla will make its way back towards the 400 area. So obviously, whether that is a break straight through this 210 level and straight through the trend line, or whether we do come down sort of further this year and then take off, I do feel that Tesla will get back up to its all-time highs over the next year or two. So that's my view on Tesla. Hopefully, you've enjoyed this one. Obviously, it's not to be taken as financial advice. I'm just merely showing you what I'm seeing with the charts and what I'm doing with my own money. Obviously, if you have enjoyed the content, please do hit like and subscribe. There will be some more videos coming out very shortly in terms of what I feel is going to happen, especially with Bitcoin and some cryptocurrencies. I've also been looking at some altcoins, especially on more of the gaming side. Some gaming tokens have fallen a good 50–60% over the last month as Bitcoin's fallen back, and it looks like they've become a little bit exhausted. So yeah, I will be doing a crypto update very shortly. So please do subscribe for that, and I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day.